Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Yashoda, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Math Magic by Yashoda.
Okay, guys, in today's session, we will continue chapter 1 integers exercise 1.2. Before solving exercise 1.2, we should know some properties. See, these are the properties. Let's study the properties. First property, multiplication of a positive and negative integer. In general, for any two positive integer a and b, we can say that a into minus b is equal to minus a into b. That is equal to minus of a into b. We will take one example, then you guys easily understand. Let a is equal to 2. This is one positive integer, and b is equal to 5. This is also a positive integer. According to this property, a into minus b is equal to minus a into b is equal to minus of a into b. That is, a means 2 into minus b means 5 is equal to minus a means 2 into b means 5. This is equal to minus of a into b. A means 2, b means 5. 2 into 5, 2 5 is a 10. Minus 10 is the answer. Next property, multiplication of two negative integer. In general, for any two positive integer a and b, minus a into minus b is equal to a into b. We will take one example. Let a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. So, minus a into minus b is equal to minus a means 5 minus 5 into minus b means 6. That is equal to a into b means 5 6 are 30. This is the answer. And guys, don't think much about these two properties, because in previous class I told some rules related to multiplication of two signs. You guys just remember that rules. Once again I will repeat those rules. First one, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus, and plus into plus is equal to plus. I will take one example. 3 into minus 2. First we have to multiply the two signs and then multiply the numbers. Here plus 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. So minus. Then we have to multiply the numbers. 3 2 is 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Like that, for any two integer, multiplication of two integer, we have to apply these tricks. I will take one more example. Minus 5 into minus 4. This is equal to, we have to multiply the two signs. Minus into minus, plus. So plus 5 4 is 20. Plus 20 is the answer. Like this, for any multiplication of two integer, we have to apply these rules. There are some more properties related to multiplication of integers. First one, closure under multiplication. That is, the product of two integers is again an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. I will take some examples. Let a is equal to minus 20 and b is equal to minus 5. Have to multiply these two integers. So minus 20 into minus 5. This is equal to 100. We got again an integer. When we multiplied two integers, we got again an integer. 100 is an integer. I will take one more example. Let a is equal to minus 15 and b is equal to 17. Minus 15 is a negative integer and 17 is a positive integer. So have to multiply these two integers. Minus 15 into 17 is equal to minus 255. Minus 255 is also a negative integer. So here we can conclude that the product of these two integers is again an integer. So in general, a into b is an integer for all integers a and b. Next property, commutative of multiplication. In previous class, we studied commutative property for addition. So that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Let's check whether this property is applied for multiplication or not. I will take one example. Let a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 2. A into b is equal to minus 5 into 2. That is equal to minus into plus minus. 5 to the 10. Now we will take b into a. B into a is equal to, b means 2, 2 into minus 5. Plus into minus, minus. 2 5 is a 10. The answer is same for both the condition. So here we can conclude that this property is satisfied for multiplication. So commutative property is satisfied for the multiplication of two integers. So in general, for any two integers a and b, we can say that a into b is equal to b into a. Next property, multiplication by 0. We know that any whole number when multiplied by 0 gives 0. Let's check whether this thing is applied for integers or not. We'll take one example. Minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into minus 4 is equal to 0. So this shows that product of negative integer and 0 is also a 0. So in general, we can conclude that for any integer a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. Next property, multiplicative identity. We know that 1 is a multiplicative identity for whole numbers. In your previous class, you studied. Let's check whether 1 is a multiplicative identity for integers as well or not. I will take one example. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. 1 into minus 5 is equal to plus into minus minus 1 5 is a 5. So this shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers also. So in general, for any integer, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Next property, associative for multiplication. We know that addition is associative for integers, that is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. And let's check whether this property is applied for multiplication as well or not. I will take one example. Consider minus 3, minus 2 and 5. These are the three integers a, b, c. I will take two cases by considering these three integers. First case, minus 3 into minus 2 into 5. This is the first case. And second case, minus 3 into minus 2 into 5. This is the second case. In first case, minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 2 are grouped together. And in second case, minus 2 and 5 are grouped together. Minus 2 and 5 are grouped together. And we will solve first case. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 3 2 is a 6. 6 into 5. That is 6 5 is a 30. And in second case, minus 3 into minus into plus minus. 2 5 is a 10. So that is equal to minus into minus plus. 3 10 is a 30. Answer is same for both the cases. So here we can conclude that associative property is satisfied for multiplication of integers. So in general, for any three integers a, b and c, we can say that a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. The last property is distributive property. We know that the distributive property for whole numbers, that is 16 into 10 plus 2, that is equal to 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. This property is distributive property for whole numbers. Let's check whether this property is true for integers also or not. I will take one example. Minus 2, it is a negative integer, into 3 plus 5. This equal to minus 2 into 3 plus 5, 8. This equal to minus into plus minus. 8 2 is a 16. Okay. And by applying distributive property, minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5. This is equal to minus into plus minus, 2 3 is a 6, minus 6 plus minus into plus minus, 2 5 is a 10. This is equal to minus 6 plus into minus minus 10. This is also equal to minus 16. So the answer is same for both the condition. So we can say that distributive property is applied for multiplication also. So in general, for any integers a, b, c, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here a is minus 2, b is 3, c is 5. So this example satisfied this condition. This example for whole numbers and this example for integers. So we can conclude that distributive property is also applied for integers. Now we will start exercise 1.2. First question, find each of the following products. A question. 3 into minus 1. This is equal to plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3. Next question. Minus 1 into 225. Minus 1 into 225. This is equal to minus into plus minus. 225 into 1, 225. Minus 225 is the answer. Next question. Minus 21 into minus 30. Minus 21 into minus 30. Minus into minus plus. We have to multiply these two numbers. 21 into 30. That is equal to 0 ones are 0, 0 2s are 0 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 6. This is the basic multiplication. After multiplying 21 and 30, we got 630. Minus into minus plus, 21 into 30, 630. So plus 630 is the answer. Next question. Minus 316 into minus 1. This is equal to minus into minus plus 316 into 1, 316. Next question. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. That is equal to 15 into 0, 0. 0 into 18, 0. Here multiplication by 0 property is applied. This property, multiplication by 0. Any integer into 0 is equal to 0. Next question. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. This is equal to, first we have to multiply these two integers. Minus 12 into minus 11. Minus 12 into minus 11. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, plus 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 2, 2 plus 1 3, 132. 132, see, minus into minus, plus, plus 132. We have to multiply 10 to this product. So, plus 132 into plus 10. 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0, 0 1 is 0, plus 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1, 1 is 1, 0, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 0 3, 1, 1320 is the answer. Yes, see the signs, minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus. This is the basic multiplication you guys already studied in 6th and 5th class. Next question, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Plus into minus, minus. 9 3 is 27. 27 into minus 6. Minus into minus, plus. 27 into 6 is equal to 6 7 is 42. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 162 is the answer. Minus into minus plus, 27 into 6 is 162. 162 is the answer. Next question. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. This is equal to minus into minus plus. 18 5 is 18 into 5. 5 8 is 40. 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 90. Minus into minus plus. Plus 90 into minus 4. This is equal to 9 4 is plus into minus, minus, and see 9 4 is 36. 36, yes, 0 is there, 360. So 90 into 4 is 360. Minus 360 is the answer. Next question, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. This is equal to minus into minus plus. 1 2 is 2. 2 into minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4. This is equal to plus into minus, minus. 2 3 is 6. 6 into 4. This is equal to minus into plus, minus. 6 was 24. Minus 24 is the answer. Next question. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. This is equal to minus into minus, plus. 6 3 is 18 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. This is equal to plus into minus, minus. 18 2 is 36 into minus 1. Minus into minus, plus. 36 1 is 36. Plus 36 is the answer. Second question, verify the following. In that sub question A, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is LHS and this is RHS. Now consider LHS. That is 18 into 7 plus minus 3. This is equal to 18 into 7 plus into minus, minus. 7 minus 3. This is equal to 18 into 7 minus 3, 4. So 18 4 is 72. 72 is the answer. Now consider RHS. Now consider RHS. That is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is equal to 18 into 7. 18 7 is 126. 126 plus into minus, minus. 18 3 is 54. So that is equal to 126 plus into minus 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 54. 126 minus 54 is equal to 72. This is the RHS. This is LHS. So by comparing LHS and RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, by comparing LHS and RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. So we can conclude that 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Therefore, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Next sub question, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Here this is LHS and this is RHS. Now consider LHS, that is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, that is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. This is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. That is equal to minus into minus plus 21 into 10 to 10. This is the LHS. Now consider RHS. That is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. This is equal to minus into minus plus 21 4 is 84 plus 84 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 21 6 is 126. 21 6 is 126. That is equal to 84 plus into plus 84 plus 126. 84 plus 126 is equal to 210. This is the RHS. Therefore, by comparing LHS and RHS, you can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, minus 21 into minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 is equal plus minus 21 into minus 6. Verified the answer. Now third question. Sub question 1. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? First one. For any integer a, minus 1 into a is equal to plus into minus minus 1 into a. So minus a is the answer. Next question. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is sub question A minus 22, 37 and C 0. Here to get to minus 22, which integer we have to add with which integer we have to multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into sub question A minus 1 into dash is equal to minus 22. Sub question B. Here to get 37, which integer we have to multiply with minus 1. So that is, you can write minus 1 into dash is equal to 37. Sub question C. Here to get 0, which integer we have to multiply with minus 1. That is, minus 1 into dash is equal to 0. Here to get minus 22, we have to multiply with plus 22. So minus into plus minus, 22 ones are 22. Second sub question. Here to get 37, which integer we have to multiply with minus 1? Minus 1 into minus 37. Here plus 37 is there. So we have to multiply with minus 37 because minus into minus plus. 37 ones are 37. Third sub question. Here to get 0, we have to multiply with 0. 1 into 0, 0. The last question, fourth question. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So, see this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, minus 1. Here, to get this pattern, we have to multiply minus 1 into 5, minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 3. Like this, we have to multiply till minus 1 into minus 1. So, minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 is equal to plus, minus into plus minus, 1 5 is a 5, minus 5. Next, minus 1 into, before 5 which number is there? 4. Minus 1 into 4. This is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Now, minus 1 into 3. That is equal to minus into plus minus, 1 3 is a 3. Next, minus 1 into 2. This is equal to minus into plus minus, 2 is a 2. Then minus 1 into 1. This is equal to minus 1. Then minus 1 into 0. This is equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next, minus 1 into minus 1. Here we stopped the pattern. Minus into minus, plus 1 ones are 1. See here, this is equal to, for minus 5 we have to add one number. This is plus 1. That is equal, minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. So here for minus 4 we have to add one number. Minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Like that, for minus 3 we have to add one number. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Like this, for minus 2 we have to add one number. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So for minus 1 we have to add one number. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Like that, for 0 we have to add one number. 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. This pattern is for this question. This is the pattern. So exercise 1.2 is completed. We'll continue exercise 1.3 in next video. Thank you.